Next topic is analytic function. A function f of z is said to be analytic in a region S if it is analytic at all points in S. A function which is analytic in the whole complex plane, then it is called entire function. Sin z, cos z, e raised to z and polynomials are examples of entire functions. Because sin z, cos z, e raised to z and polynomials are differentiable at all points in the entire complex plane. Therefore, they are called entire functions. Show that the function w equal to sin z is analytic everywhere. Also find the derivative. Given function is w equal to sin z. W is u plus ib. Sin z is sin of x plus iy. What about sin of a plus b? Sin of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Therefore, sin x cos iy plus cos x sin iy, which is equal to sin x cos iy is cos hy. Cos iy equal to cos hy. Also sin iy equal to I sin hy plus cos x I sin hy. Then separating into real and imaginary parts, we get u equal to sin x cos hy. Also v equal to cos x sin hy. Then we have to find dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x equal to partial derivative of u with respect to x, which is cos x cos hy. Then dou u by dou y is sin x, derivative of cos hy is sin hy. Then dou v by dou x equal to minus sin x sin hy. Dou v by dou y equal to cos x is taken as constant, then derivative of sin hy is cos hy. Then check whether it satisfies CR equations or not. CR equations are dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. Also dou v by dou x negatively equal to dou u by dou y. Dou v by dou x negatively equal to dou u by dou y. Therefore, CR equations are satisfied. Therefore, w equal to sin z is differentiable. Also, the four partial derivatives are continuous for every value of x and y, because sin x is a continuous function and cos x is a continuous function. Sin hy and cos hy are continuous functions, so their products are also continuous. Therefore, u, v, ux, uy, vx, vy are all continuous. Therefore, sin z is analytic everywhere. Also, it can be said that sin z is differentiable everywhere. Here, sin z is analytic everywhere. Then we have to find its derivative. Here, f of z is u plus ib. Derivative of f of z is f dash z, which is equal to ux plus ivx. Ux is dou u by dou x, which is equal to cos x cos hy plus I dx is dou v by dou x, which is equal to minus I sin x sin hy. Here cos x cos hy is cos iy minus I into sin x sin hy is sin iy by I. This I will be get cancelled. Then we get as cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What about cos A cos B minus sin A sin B? Which is cos of A plus B. Which is cos of x plus iy. X plus iy is z there, which is equal to cos z. Here we get as the derivative of sin z is cos z. Hence the answer. Next question is, show that the function w equal to cos z is analytic everywhere. Also find the derivative. Here the function is given as w equal to cos z. W is u plus id. Cos z is cos of x plus iy. What of cos of a plus b? Cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Therefore cos x cos iy minus sin x sin iy. Cos x cos iy is cos hy minus sin x sin iy is I sin hy. I sin hy. Now we have to separate real and imaginary parts. On comparing we get u equal to cos x cos hy. Also v equal to minus sin x sin hy. Here from u we have to find dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x is partial derivative of u with respect to x, which is equal to derivative of cos x is minus sin x into cos hy. Then dou u by dou y is, here cos x into derivative of cos hy is sin hy. Here dou v by dou x equal to minus derivative of sin x is cos x sin hy. Then dou v by dou y is minus sin x into derivative of sin hy with respect to y is cos hy. Here the CR equations are satisfied, which is dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. Also dou v by dou x negatively equal to dou u by dou y. Dou v by dou x negatively equal to dou u by dou y. Therefore CR equations are satisfied. Here the CR equations are satisfied. Then cos x is a continuous function. Sin x is a continuous function. Cos hy and sin hy are continuous. Hence their products are also continuous. Therefore u, v, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y are all continuous everywhere. Therefore we have to say that sin z is analytic everywhere. Also we have to say that sin z is differentiable everywhere. Now we have to find the derivative of f of z, which is f of z is u plus sin. Its derivative is f dash z equal to ux plus I dx. Here ux is dou u by dou x, which is equal to minus sin x cos hy plus I into dx is dou v by dou x, which is equal to minus cos x sin hy. Here minus sin x into cos hy is cos iy minus I into cos x sin hy is sin iy by I. These two I will be get cancelled. Here we get as minus of sin x cos iy plus cos x sin iy. What about sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, which is sin of a plus b? That is minus into sin of x plus iy, which is minus of sin x plus iy is z. Hence we get the answer as derivative of cos z is minus sin z. Hence the answer. Next question is, show that the function w equal to sin hz is analytic everywhere. Also find its derivative. Given function is w equal to sin hz. W is u plus id. Sin hz is sin iz by I. 1 by I is minus I. Sin I into z is x plus iy. Minus I into sin ix minus I square by ix plus I square by minus I sin ix. I square is minus 1 minus y. Also minus I into sin of a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, which is sin ix cos y minus cos ix sin y, which is equal to minus I into sin ix is I sin hx. I sin hx cos y, cos ix is cos hx sin y. Then by opening the bracket we get as minus I square sin hx cos y plus I cos hx sin y. I square is minus 1 minus I square is plus 1. Therefore we get as sin hx cos y plus I cos hx sin y. Now we have to separate the real and imaginary parts. Here we get as u equal to, by comparing on both sides we get u equal to sin hx cos y. Also v equal to cos hx sin y. Then u equal to sin hx cos y. Also v equal to cos hx sin y. Here dou u by dou x equal to partial derivative of u with respect to x, which is equal to derivative of sin hx with respect to x is cos hx into cos y. Then dou u by dou y equal to sin hx into derivative of cos y with respect to y is minus sin y. Also, dou v by dou x equal to derivative of cos hx with respect to x is sin hx into sin y. Then dou v by dou y equal to cos hx into derivative of sin y with respect to y is cos y. Then the CR equations are satisfied. CR equations are dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. Also, dou v by dou x negatively equal to dou u by dou y. That is, dou v by dou x equal to negative dou u by dou y. Therefore, CR equations are satisfied. Also, sin hx and cos hx are continuous function. Sin y and cos y are continuous function. Hence, their products are also continuous. Therefore, u, v, ux, uy, vx, vy are all continuous. Therefore, w equal to sin hz is analytic everywhere. Also, we have to say that w equal to sin hz is differentiable everywhere. Then we have to find its derivative. Its derivative is f of z equal to u plus iv. Derivative f dash z equal to ux plus I vx. Here ux is dou u by dou x, which is equal to cos hx cos y. Cos hx cos y plus vx is dou v by dou x, which is sin hx sin y. Here cos hx is cos iy into cos y. Cos hx cos ix cos y plus I. Sin hx is sin iy by I, sin y. This I will be get cancelled. It is of the form cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, which is cos of a minus b, cos of ix minus y. Which is f dash z equal to cos ix minus y. Here cos ix, I square is minus 1. So we have to replace minus 1 by plus I square. Because the value of I square is minus 1. Therefore we are replacing minus 1 by plus I square. Plus I square by. Here cos 1 I can be taken outside. I into x plus iy, which is cos I, x plus iy is z. Cos I z. What about cos I z? Cos I z is cos hz. Hence we get the answer as derivative of sin hz is cos hz. Okay, thank you.